Hey loves, it's your girl Nicole. I'm here with you on a fun festive spring look. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Okay, so for my transition color, I'm taking this yellow from Take Me From the Seal palette from Beige Cosmetics with my Morphe 505 brush. Right below the yellow, I'm taking this orange from my Lady Brazil palette with my MAC 217 brush. Okay, so your girl is trying to experiment a little bit more with colors. I'm taking the shade Jada with my Morphe 167 brush, and yeah, we just gonna go from there. Okay, now I'm cutting my halo with my Morphe 421 brush with LA Girl Pro Concealer. The shimmery shade right here and the shade Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and those are going to be the two colors I place inside of my halo. To give my eye more of the halo eye effect, I'm going back in with the shade Jada. Okay, so next I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner in the shade Midnight. And bro, this part had me so tight because I couldn't get the other side to match. Next I'm going in with my 3-in-1 mascara from e.l.f. as well. Okay, so for this video, I'm not going in on my foundation routine because it's basically my go-to face routine. So when I change it up, I'll let y'all know. Alright, ciao!